Hi, babe.
Hey, babe.
You ready?
Yep. Babe, can you send the charger units through Lydia?
Is she coming later?
제 덴탈 어포인트ment 있잖아.
Oh.
손 많이 가네. You know I had to like delay my flight, right?
It was right here, right?
Yeah.
They were like right there. Right there.
Too short. Too short. I'm sorry. Vicky went to school yesterday. She got dress coded for the second time. She goes to charter school and they have a uniform that they wear, and her skirt is a little shorter than her knee length. And so it's a thing, and she was a little upset. I got an actual email. So today after school, we're gonna go look for some skirts that are just at around the knee length.
Adios.
I'll take your whip. Okay.
Bye. I'll see ya.
Kiss me.
Welcome back, friends. I have good news for us. Well, for me really, but hopefully for you as well. I upgraded my camera and I am still waiting some parts, but I do have a new microphone in and I do have a new lens in, so you can see the wider view of what's around me, which is pretty cool. I am still in the middle of a move. This is day 3 of this journey and I am not progressing very well. I've been busy Monday, I've been busy Tuesday, and today being Wednesday, I'm busy again. And on top of that, my husband and Lydia, our daughter, are gone for the rest of the week until Sunday. And my mom is flying back in tomorrow. I thought she was coming in today, but I thought wrong. She actually changed her flight to tomorrow night because she's not in a hurry. She thought I was having to go to Tijuana with my husband. I didn't have to. Well, I chose not to just because we're moving, and I sent Lydia instead. I'm excited about this new setup. I hope you like it. It's much brighter. I feel like the sound is a lot better. The quality of it is a lot better. The rest of the day is going to be a lot of packing, making new piles for the declutter. I have one kiddo out right now at a taekwondo and it's about 6:55 p.m. I have about 25 minutes to burn, so I thought I would just hop on here real quick and kind of introduce a new setup. Okay, so let me show you. These two came in, and one is the ECM G1 microphone, a game changer. I actually tested out myself with the previous mic that this camera comes with, and then I put this one on, and currently right now it's on and it sounds wonderful. I don't have to like yell, I don't have to talk loud, and I can still hear very well like I have a microphone on me like this. And then this one is a new lens. I actually bought a new lens. Never thought that I would do something like this, but this has actually become so fun for me. And going from my iPhone 14 Pro to now actually using my Sony that I've had for a while, I'm excited because I was using my husband calling. The quality is just, I can't even explain. Plus, I was using an app, like a beauty app on the iPhone, and I feel like a lot of the times it didn't feel like me. It didn't feel like my face. It just felt very not real. Okay? And I want real. More than anything, I need to see like my real visual self as I monitor these videos. That helps me to really hit the gym even harder, continue my 5 a.m. journey routine in the mornings, and also eating straight, drinking a lot of water, sleeping at night. So this has been really exciting for me. I've been geeking out on YouTube, just learning all the different parts and pieces of this camera to make my viewing experience, your viewing experience, a lot better. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I am trying to do the best I can with the limited resource that I have in the moment. I feel like I'm not progressing at all. But I am. I filled up 4 more boxes today. I have in the house currently today about 25 boxes, and I feel like I need to order another 25. Or my plan was to originally like unbox throughout the week next week, and then when the movers come, just to have them take the big stuff. But as you know, like in every move, it's like you think you only have this much, but you actually have this much. And I don't want to experience that on this move, so I'm trying to get rid of as much as possible. I have a ton of planner stuff that I think what I'm going to do is kind of sort throughout this next week and figure out all my nice leather covers for the planners, like what I want to sell. And I will let you guys know on YouTube as well before I list them anywhere, because I think you guys should have the first dibs on it. It's just been kids everywhere, husband leaving. All in all, I'm very tired. I, for the most part, feel like I've been practicing minimalism for the last 5 years. I still feel like we have so much stuff, and yet manage to order more stuff every single day. I think we need to stop that. We just fill up our lives with so much stuff, and you don't realize that until you move, how much stuff you have accumulated throughout the course of your stay. That is a big thing for me. Going forward, I am really going to focus on purchasing the absolute bare minimum that I absolutely need to survive or to live a good quality life. Why do I need 200,000 planner covers that cost more than $500, like $300? I want a bed that I could sleep on, lamp tables because it makes me feel like it's a nice bedroom, a centerpiece under my TV, a TV, maybe a desk, maybe not. I don't need all this stuff. That's where I'm at. We decided to order food. Thank you, Vicky, for doing the ordering. What is in that box right there? Yum yum. And then we got this. You got a little bit of everything that you really wanted to eat, huh?
Yep.
Yummy. Another day, another moving. I'm doing my master suite today. I am really dedicated and focused on working this. I finished all my paperwork, my budget, everything yesterday for the rest of the entire month, which is not much honestly because it's already the 18th today. I've got my cleaning lady whom I love. She comes every week on a Friday to do all the cleaning throughout the whole house. She does an amazing job, and she's gonna follow me along to the next house. It's a hot mess. I'm getting some laundry done. I'm gonna start hanging everything, declutter the stationery stuff, all my clothes, capsule it. I'm just gonna start moving them in so that we don't have like little tedious stuff along the way when we do actually move on Friday or Saturday. I haven't decided which mover I'm gonna hire. I did have a couple of quotes from yesterday. I think I'm gonna do a couple more today because you just never never know with them. It's just always up and down. It's like everywhere. And I just love flat prices, even if it costs a little bit more upfront. Let's get to work. I've got my mommy juice this morning. I love my white coffee, white mocha. In case you're wondering why we are moving. Right now, it is Friday at 8:40 a.m. Okay, so check this out. This is 8:40 a.m. and this is how bright or how dark this room is. And this is not just this room, it's like throughout the whole entire house. Like if you ask me, what is that one thing you cannot do on a house? It's this. It's darkness. I need bright house. These shutters, even you might think, okay, they're not completely. Yeah, even with that being said, it's still this much light into the house. And you guys, there is no filter on this thing. I got so much done today. I feel a lot positive. So positive. I think it just takes a little bit of meditation and relaxation of the mind to get things accomplished. What have I done so far? I've connected and stopped services on all the utilities, scheduled and paid the deposit on one of the movers. He won my heart. He came in and he did a complete thorough walkthrough to figure out what was going and what was gonna be trash. I also managed to schedule bulk trash pickup for next Wednesday, which is amazing because moving happens on Saturday of next week, so we're just getting rid of all the stuff before the movers come to pick up everything. So that way it saves time with the movers, and you know saving time with the movers means saving money. I have my older kid picking up my daughter. I'm gonna go hit the shower, change. I've been wearing this shirt for about 2 days and it doesn't feel great. My husband changed his flight to come back tomorrow instead of Sunday, which is great because his business, everything that he's doing there in Tijuana is gonna end today. And so he's gonna fly in tomorrow. I'm excited this is happening. Things are going a little bit faster and smoother. I am in a better mood for sure, as you can tell by the sound of my voice, the tone of my voice. Breathe, Helen, breathe. And the rest of the night is gonna be pretty easy. I am gonna relax just a tiny little bit. I have been running and stressing out this whole week. It's okay to rest. Just peace out, Helen, it's okay. And tonight, I think I'm actually gonna cook something for the kiddos instead of doing some eat out, take out type of thing like we did yesterday and the day before. Thanks for joining me this week, and I will see you guys on the following video. Bye for now.